Well, this is the tower system, and it's very self-explanatory. Just press the power button on, and you can cycle through the different power levels. That's amazing. And then you can just reduce it back to 1 or 2. Press this button, and the fan will automatically rotate left and right. And then you've got the timer button, up to 9, back to 0, and you've got the different modes. This is like it's like a temperature controlled, so depending on temperature it'll produce a different wind pattern. And then this is when you go into sleep mode, and the fan will automatically adjust according to, you know, the gear cycle. And this one is the natural wind mode, and you'll hear the difference. The natural wind mode. It's actually quite nice, and you obviously get one of these remote controls that you can control. And when that's not in use, that just slips in the back. That just slips in the back. A lovely unit. Look at it. It's really magnificent. Well made. Quality. Chrome bezel edges. ABS plastics. I mean, it's beauty. It's as easy as that. Spot on.
It rotates. It's really super. And it doesn't dry up your eyes. It looks really cool. And all you have to do just to switch it off is just to press this button. It's so easy. Plus there's a remote control. It's ever so good. I've actually got 2. There's the other one. Again, just to make it work. Click the button. There it goes. Rotating. It's rather amazing. It doesn't blast your face off. It's a lovely, cool air. It's wonderful.
Will you